Hello friends, how are you doing? So this is the solution of the fourth science worksheet, and in this worksheet you solved questions related to three different body systems: the circulatory system, the respiratory system, and the digestive system. So today we're going to correct the questions that you solved before. And the ones you will find in this box things or objectives that you should be able to do. This means that you should know how to feel your heartbeats, how to list the different organs of each of the body systems, the two organs of the circulatory system, the three organs of the respiratory system, the five organs of the digestive system. And like I told you before, each one of these organs has a special function in the body. You should know how to talk about this function. Okay, if there is something that isn't clear till now, feel free to ask me. I will repeat and re-explain everything with pleasure. So let's start with question number 1. In this question, we have 4 different figures showing 4 different body organs. Give the name of the body organ shown in each of the figures below. Let's see. What about the first picture? These two organs are found in your chest and they are protected by the rib cage. These organs are a part of your respiratory system, and these are the two lungs. Okay, what about this? This organ is found or belongs to your digestive system, and it's actually the last organ of your digestive system. Its function is to absorb water from the remaining food and to get rid of the wastes. So this is the large intestine. What about this? This is a very it's a hard-working muscle found in your chest between the two lungs, a bit to the left, and it's protected also by the rib cage. And this is the heart. Last one, the last organ is the organ leading food from your mouth to your stomach, and it is called the food pipe. What is the name of the food pipe, which is a part of the digestive system? It's the esophagus, right? When we eat, our body digests the food so we can get the nutrients such as vitamins and minerals that are in food. Digestion occurs in 3 main ways. Our teeth break down the food into smaller pieces. Also, the liquid in our mouth, the saliva, helps to digest the food. In our stomach, special juices change the food into a thick liquid. Digestion ends in the small intestine, and the blood carries the nutrients to the body organs. Refer to the paragraph to answer the questions below. So we have to get our answers from the paragraph. List 2 types of nutrients mentioned in the text. As I said in the lecture video, inside the digestive system, food turns into nutrients. Nutrients are small substances that the body needs to live and grow healthy, like proteins, minerals, vitamins, sugar. So what are 2 types of nutrients mentioned in the text? Let's see. So we can get the nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. So the 2 types of nutrients are vitamins and minerals. Describe what happens to the food in the mouth. Inside the mouth, we have teeth, we have our teeth, our tongue, and the liquid, which is the saliva. These three things help in digestion. What did they say in the text about digestion inside the mouth? So this is what happens inside the mouth. Our teeth break down the food into smaller pieces, and the saliva helps to digest the food too. So this is what we have to write in here. We have to get our answers from the text, dear ones. Our teeth break down the food into smaller pieces, and the saliva helps to digest the food. Annotate the diagram of the human digestive system. What about A? A is the first organ of the digestive system, and it is the mouth. That's right, it's the mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth. B. B is the road that food takes from the mouth to the stomach. This is the esophagus, which is the food pipe. Food arrives to a small pocket, and this pocket is called the stomach. In the stomach, food will look like a thick liquid. So from the mouth to the esophagus, food arrives into the stomach, and then it moves from the stomach to the part G. It's the small intestine. And finally, the remaining food, and with all the things that the body doesn't need, moves to the large intestine. So these are the 5 parts of the digestive system: the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine. Indicate the function of the blood in the body. What did they say in the text? They said that digestion finishes in the small intestine, and there the body comes to collect the nutrients that each organ in your body needs. So the blood is the taxi driver that will transport nutrients and all good substances like vitamins and minerals from the small intestine to your body organ. So we have to copy this sentence. The blood takes the nutrients to the body organs. The blood takes the nutrients to the body organs. Third question now, which is the last one, I think. Right, it's the last question in our worksheet. Indicate. Tell if the following statements are true or false. Correct the false ones. All the organs in the body need oxygen every minute of the day. What do you think? Can you stop breathing and providing your body with oxygen? No, you cannot. So we need oxygen every single moment of our life. So this is true. This is true. Our body needs oxygen every single moment in our life. The heart sends the blood filled with carbon dioxide to all the body organs. What do you think? Do we actually, or do all of our body organs need carbon dioxide? No, actually carbon dioxide is a respiratory gas that the body doesn't need and doesn't use. So it needs to get rid of it. So the heart doesn't send the blood filled with carbon dioxide. It actually sends the blood filled with oxygen. So this is false. The heart sends the blood filled with oxygen to all the body organs. So the oxygen is the correct word. Sends. Respiration is the act of breathing in and breathing out. Respiration, breathing, is the act of breathing in and breathing out. This is true. When we inhale and exhale, we're breathing. The lungs send the blood to the heart to pick up oxygen. What do you think? Where does blood go to get the oxygen that it will carry to all of the body organs? Does it get oxygen from the heart or from the lungs? So this sentence isn't correct. We should change the places of some words to make it correct. It's not the lungs who send the blood to the heart. It's actually the heart that sends the blood to the lungs. So let me correct it. You will understand better. So this is false. It's the heart who pushes the blood. The heart sends the blood to the lungs to bring or pick up oxygen. So the blood gets the oxygen that it will carry from the lungs and not from the heart. And it's the heart who pushes the blood and not the lungs. When you inhale, you take in oxygen. This is right. Inhale, breathe in. When we inhale, we are taking in oxygen. When you exhale, you give off oxygen too. What do you think? Okay, this is false. When we inhale, yes, we take in oxygen. So when you inhale, you take in oxygen. But when you exhale, what do you give off? Carbon dioxide. That's right. And that's it. If you still have any questions about the worksheet, feel free to ask. Bye bye.